we've decided to not eat any pickles or not make any pickles at home anymore. In fact, I also let go of the old pickles that were there in the house. Obviously, it's too much salt, too much oil, and I heard that these old pickles are not good for health. And anyways, in short, we got rid of them. But we need to eat some pickles, something that is like a probiotic, which will also enhance the flavor of your food and also taste nice, and you feel like eating pickles. Of course, in Indian household, sometimes we say little ooch neech, like little up and down in the salt or whatever, some bland veggies. Sometimes you don't like something, so you still won't have to eat it. So anyways, I thought let me make some fresh and nice pickle. Now it's winters are going to start. Of course, in Singapore makes no difference, but we get good produce from India. Like we get amla now, and I also have some oli harad, that is raw turmeric, and I'm also adding some so let me show you what I'm making over here. I'm making this fresh kind of, you can say it's a pickle, but it's also not like with oil, so there's going to be no oil. Let me just show you. So this is fresh amla, that is gooseberry. I've chopped. Take any measurement that you want. Then this is fresh turmeric, rhizome. This is the fresh harad, right? That we say haldi, fresh one. And then I've taken this big chilies. Now I don't know these fat ones if they're very spicy or not spicy, but and also I'm using scissors to cut them, so I don't know how they're going to be. We'll only know once we eat it. And then to this I'm going to add salt. I'm not going to add turmeric because this is turmeric. But if you're not adding turmeric, you can add turmeric. And the main ingredient that will give its flavor zinc, vitamin C, and also will preserve it for a little longer, 10 days only in the fridge, is lots of lime juice. So we're going to squeeze fresh lime in this, and I'm also going to add black pepper. So this is like full of vitamin C, vitamin A, and then it's good for your immunity, and it's good for your digestion. So yeah, this is what we're going to make. I will also show you once it's all ready. Oh, look at this. This is the size of the turmeric and the avla and the chili. You want smaller, you make smaller pieces. Bigger, I won't say. Better make smaller, so it fits in the jar also nicely. And yeah, now I'm going to squeeze, say at least 4 to 5 juice, 4 to 5 lime in this, and also add black pepper. My fingers have gone bad. I should have used gloves, but also put some crushed black pepper and salt in this. So we also added some black pepper, so it absorbs the turmeric better in the body. So that's it. So easy. Amla, that is Indian gooseberry, ambe harad, which is the yellow raw turmeric, fresh turmeric, sorry, and green chili, spicy, non-spicy variety up to you, and lots of lime juice, salt and black pepper. That's it. And then we'll fill it in this nicely washed and dried glass container and refrigerate it, and maybe maximum 10 days you can eat it. That's it, done. Thank you for watching Ru's Kitchen and Garden. Bye.